I was considering putting my shorts on this
Last time on Madcat sailing.
Drama, where's this come from? Time to drop Davey off at the Gallows Tavern. Good morning, Madventurers! Well, finally, it's the last weekend of the boat repairs. Fingers crossed, weather permitting. So I've come down here now, I've got 4 days to go at it. Weather's looking pretty good today. Tomorrow's a bit miserable, hit and miss, and then it looks like I've got a good 2 days of decent weather. So fingers crossed we can get the boat ship shape. Hey Davey, what do you reckon? Get the boat ship shape. Looks like the Tasmanian Devil's flowing through here at the minute. Look at the state of it. Even Davey's looking a bit bedraggled. So yeah, fingers crossed, we're going to get everything done. Plan today is I'm going to start outside, get the outside few bits done. We've got to drop the mast hopefully at some point as well, so that's going to be a task and a half. I'm going to try it on my own as well, so that'll be interesting how that goes, to see if it's possible on your own. Purposely because I'm a solo sailor, so these things I need to be able to learn how to do. You're stuck on your own little island at sea, so basically there's a lot of things that you're not going to be able to give someone a bell and say, can you come and give us a hand? So I've got to learn how to do a lot of things as well, so that's one of the things this weekend. And yeah, another reason for this is fingers crossed that we get as much done and it's ready to go back in the water then, and I can concentrate on my Manchester run as well, because that's coming up soon. We've got about 6 weeks left before that. So I'm trying to get in my training now. I've got to up my game on the training. So currently it's May 2019 for record purposes, because this video may be quite a little bit late going out. So there's that to come, and it's looking like the sailing season for me now is probably not going to be around probably late June time. I'll try and squeeze in a quick sailing weekend between now and end of May, all being well, and it'll just be a little journey somewhere. I think me and Davey are looking forward to it, and I'd like to say a big thank you to Davey as well, because I've never seen him work so quick. Last weekend I said to him, can you paint the boats? And literally he started at 9 o'clock and he had all the boat painted for 9:30. I don't know how he did it. It were unbelievable. I'll tell you what, the Sheila that you were waiting for him at the tavern, she must have been a good one. What's that? She's not called Sheila. What do you mean she's not called Sheila? I know she's not called Sheila. It's an Aussie term. Don't worry about that. Hey, I don't know. Some people, you get het up sometimes, don't you? I know she's not called Sheila, and I know I'm English. You don't need to tell me that. I'm just using it for these YouTube people. Some people. I'm a northerner. Grammar doesn't cut it. We don't do grammar. We do that's the northern slang. Cut your words, and hopefully someone understands what you're saying. So yeah, fingers crossed, we're going to be back in the water soon, looking forward to it. But first things first, better crack on with some boat works. Well, Madventurers, good news, option B is on the cards. I've managed to strap this to the mast. Now, all I'm after doing is refixing my mast light. I'm not going to bother checking the rigging. I'm going to take a chance for another season. It was okay last time I checked it, beginning of last season. The only thing I will be doing is the bottom of the shrouds, because there's a few pins that want renewing along there, and try and reseal a couple of the bolt holes as well that come through the decking there. But yeah, option B, how am I going to get the light refixed? Well, that's down to Davey Bones. Shall we see how he's doing? And here he is. How are you getting on up there? It's a bit windy. Hey man, that's why I sent you up there. Get on with it. What's up with you, man? Well, the sun is shining, finally. I'll give you a view of the sunshine and where I am. As you can see, Davey's still not got much done. Don't know what's up with him. Just gotta say, this is one job I've not been looking forward to all the time I've been doing boat works. Trying to clean up these and get them resealed, just to make them last a lot longer than what they're looking a bit rusty. And put a new bilge pump back in, or a new float switch, and rejig the pump now, ready for next summer 2019 Madventures. As you can probably tell, I'm absolutely shattered. I don't know where I got the energy last winter. But keep going, 2 more days and fingers crossed we're in the water. Keep trucking. Still going, still at it. Famous flow switch. I'm hoping by the morning now there won't be a lot left to do. It's just a bit of pottering about in the morning and get ship shape, and fingers crossed I can ask him to put her in the water. Keep on trucking. Well, I've managed to get it in place now. The only thing I need to do is waterproof fittings. Currently they're on terminal blocks, but all in place. Thank God for that. Welcome back, Madventurers. This week's episode is, what did we do about the cooker? What did we do, Davey? What did we do? Well, kept the cooker, funding nil plan. I've rejigged things. We've now got a little bit of a kitchen area going on. I've got 240 kettles in. Sadly no 240 at sea, but when we get to marinas at least I've got some power to set up, charge things, do blah 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 blah. But the cooker, we've ended up same sort of thing. Got latches, that now comes out and reveals the sink area. Now I know what you're thinking, when it's a rough sea, would you be pulling that in and out? Probably not. It's not for that, it's just purely when we end up anchoring up or in marinas, so it's just convenience. I can put my sink in and out. I've got my storage space below, so still got all that. I've got somewhere to dry my plates, and then also we've gone for the big one, so I can put stuff in there. Again, there's still things to touch up, tidy up, clean up and things like that, but she's usable, that's the main thing. So yeah, that's the kitchen area now. And you're still wondering, why haven't I seen the windows? I still want to see these windows and what the boat looks like on the outside. I think we better take them outside, Anna Davey. Shall we take them outside and show you? Come on, we'll do a reveal of what everything looks like on the outside. Well, Mr. Bones, the sun is shining, and I think we've got some eager Madventurers to please here. They keep wondering what the windows look like, so I think it's reveal time. Shall we start over here and tease them just a little bit, Look at that, look at that folks, look at that. How nice is that, lovely. A little bit at a time. I think that'll do, you know, won't it? Shall we tease them some more, Davey? Shall we tease them some more? Look at that. Right, I'll come back in a bit.
time on Madcat Sailing.
Because I definitely practice catching the mooring. Flying! Get around this mucky.
Before you go guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.